Good afternoon. My name is Terrance Anderson, and I'm honored, actually anxious, and a little excited to be here today. I'm inviting you on my journey of transformation. December 31st, 2003, I'm at a New Year's Eve party, and I began thinking about my life. I'm 31 years old. I'm a convicted felon, high school dropout, and I'm heavy in criminal activity. When these thoughts come, I do what I always do. I take a drink, and I got drunk. And when I woke up, it was January 2004. You know, when I got out of bed, a feeling hit me in my gut. And a voice told me, Terrance, you cannot live like this anymore. And I knew I had to get out of that house. I had to get out of this neighborhood. And I had to get out of life of crime. And I remember what my probation officer told me about a homeless shelter. So I got dressed and I left my house and I started walking. And I passed a liquor store and the thought came that a drink will fix all of this. But this day I kept walking. I made it to the shelter and I claimed a bed. And while at the shelter, I went to this college preparatory program, mainly to get out of the cold because they kicked us out the shelter during the day. And I met an academic counselor named Richard Dogan, and he told me, Terrance, you can get a PhD. I believed him. And I went on to get my associate's degree, my bachelor's degree, my master's degree, and I'm currently working on my PhD. He actually said something else to me. He said, Terrance, there are people waiting on you. And I had the opportunity to be the Richard Dogan for somebody else. I work with formerly incarcerated individuals, and I wrote a book talking about how I transitioned successfully into mainstream society. And I'm actually running a campaign right now. And for every book you buy, I give 2 books to the formerly incarcerated. The book is called Transitioning, The Survival Guide for the Returning Citizen. And you can buy it on Amazon.com. And you can actually talk to me on Facebook. Send me a message, Terrance Anderson on Facebook. And thank you for your time and your attention. Thank you.